Python, what it is? Just another programming language? Why should I even learn it? But why not? Currently, it is also one of the most popular and best paid programming languages worldwide. One can learn anything about Python from the ground up. Everything from the absolute basics of Python to web development and web scraping to data visualization and anything beyond it. Are you looking for learning Python? Not sure where to start and where the roadmap looks like? Even I am new to Python programming in general. I am trying my hands on basics of Python and I will keep sharing as I go towards intermediate Python knowledge. So, let us start with installing Python and build your Hello World program. This program is of interest by anyone beginning with Python. We will install Python first, and then we will create a simple Hello World program as the first step. The latest version of Python can be downloaded and installed from www.python.org. We will get version 3.7. We will be observing sample Hello World program for Windows OS. Python 3.7.2 is the second maintenance release of Python 3.7. The Python 3.7 series is the newest major release of the Python language and contains many new features and optimizations. Once you install the application, you should be able to see its related files in Windows Start Python 3.7. Click on IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, to start writing your first Python program. IDE will look like this. To see how Python works, type print hello world at the command prompt like this and press enter. This should print hello world on the screen. To make it as a program module and run the module, click on the file, new file, and create a new file and name it as helloworld.py. By default, these files are saved as Python files with the extension .py. Type print hello world and save this file. Then to execute the program, hit F5 or click on run and run module. This should display a new Python screen and show hello world on it. This way you can write any program in Python IDE and run them as Python modules. Here we finish our first program using the IDE. We will go on with more such Python tutorials further.